Hi beautiful people, it's Georgia. So in this episode I'm going to share with you how I'm going about the process of accessing some new vendors for my website. So as you guys know, I have a website, Touch Me Textures. I list it below, and I sell hair extension, wigs, but I want to expand my site to sell clothing also. So I'm looking for vendors, and I heard about this umbrella of vendors called fashiongo.net. So it's like I said, this umbrella is a whole bunch of vendors under this umbrella, where you sign up once and you have access to a ton of different vendors. So in order to be a part of this network, Fashion Go requires you to have all of your documents, of course, your business license, your seller's permit and everything. And before you could join them, they have to show that you have established a relationship with other wholesalers by buying from those wholesalers. And they want you to present a receipt showing that you do have at least 2 receipts, showing that you have 2 invoices, I should say, not receipts. 2 invoices showing that you have a relationship with other wholesalers. So in this video, I'm going to share with you one of the wholesalers that I was able to sign up with, and I'm going to show you some of the products that I brought from them in order to fulfill the requirement to be a part of Fashion Go. And they're asking, I'm looking off to the side because that's how I'm thinking. They're asking that when you do purchase items from these wholesalers, that you purchase at least 2 of each item to show that you know, you're buying in, I'm considering bulk. So I found a wholesaler here in New York, and I was able to order online, even though we have this time where we're going through the pandemic where all the stores are closed. I'm still here at home doing some research and stuff, so I was able to purchase stuff online from them, and it came in the mail so fast. I ordered it on Saturday, and by Wednesday I had it, Wednesday morning actually, I had it at the door. So I'm just going to go through this quick little haul to show you what I bought from them, and then I'll tell you how much I paid for everything. Okay, I have the other vendor that I'm working on. I just purchased some items from them, so as soon as they come in, then I will share with you the vendor and what I purchased. So the name of the vendor that I'm using for this one is called US Jewelry House. US Jewelry House. This is the invoice right here, and this is the name of the company, US Jewelry House. I don't know if it's coming across right. Maybe it's a little bit backwards. And it's here in Manhattan. I will put all the information in the description box just in case you want to actually use them also. And I spent $40 buying products, and I had to pay shipping $10.44, which I didn't mind because, you know, with everything that's going on, I know they have to cover their costs and stuff. I couldn't expect them to cover the cost. So let's go through some of the items that I purchased. So, and I told you I purchased 2 of everything, right? So this is one, which is a set of clip-on earrings. I figure if I'm gonna buy things, let me buy things that I can wear. That way I could also review them before I put them on the site. So I'm not even sure if I'm gonna put this on the site. So I bought these clip-on earrings. They're emerald with little diamonds going around, or CZs going around. This is fashion jewelry. Okay, so this is fashion jewelry, it's not real. So this is diamonds, and they have others in sapphire, rubies. They had a multi-diamond and everything. So here it is. I'm wearing it. I'm wearing a pair right now, and I love the way they feel. It's not too tight on my ear, and my ear aren't pierced. So that's why when you see sometimes I come on here, I have either these clip-ons or I have the magnetic diamond earrings, which I buy from my local jewelry store. So this is one of the items, and I paid $2.75 each for a pair of these. Okay, so the next item, might as well, since it's right here, is this bracelet right here. and it's like a cuffed bracelet. As you can see, again, it's a fashion piece. It's a cuff bracelet. It's a little bit stretchy, and this is the design of it. It's like 3, and it comes together into one, and it's a cuff, like I said. You just slide it on and position it the way you want, and it has a great sparkle. I don't know if you could see it right now from the screen, but when the light hits it outside, it looks like the real thing. So I got 2 of those, and the price for each is $4.50. So here I have the other one here. I'm not sure if I'm gonna put it on the site or I'm gonna keep it. I might put it on the site because, like I said, they're very, very pretty. So that is the next item. The next item I got is something that's very popular nowadays. I see it all over YouTube, all over Instagram. I see everybody trying to push this item, and I figure I'll get one in my initial, and it is the initial necklace. So that's the initial necklace, and my name is Georgia, as you know, so that's a G hanging from there, and I am actually wearing one of them. So here's the one, and here's the other one still in the package, and it sits very well. The chain on it have a slight sparkle to it, and I know you've seen the others here on the internet where they have the letters are usually huge, and it comes all the way down here. It's not small and dainty like this one, and that's why I like this one, because it's not big. You know, the other ones I see people have the huge letters right in the middle of their chest, and I'm like, no, that's just too much. So the price on this one is $5, and if I should say the length of the necklace, I would say it will be 16 inches. So it sits just perfectly right there. Actually, it's supposed to say it on here. 18 karat gold dipped, and it doesn't give the length of the necklace, but honestly I feel like it's a 16-inch necklace. All right, so this is the third item that I purchased. What else did I buy? Oh, it's a little haul. Like I told you, it wasn't a lot. So yeah, one more item that I purchased. Because I already tried this one on, so let me take this one. Is a kimono, or a cover-up, as most people would call it. So it's like a beach cover-up. So this is it. It has a long split going up the side, and then it's not long sleeve. You just have an area where you put your arm through. So this is the slit, this is the arm, and this is the little area where it's tagged. So this would be perfect for either a beach day, or if you have something a little bit too revealing and you just want a little cover up just to be a little bit more modest. This is something that you will put on and wear. But this is something that I said I'm gonna purchase things that I'm gonna use, and I've been looking for something like this, so that's why I have it. And there it is. The pattern on it is just different color leaves, and that's about it. So those are the items that I purchased. I'm double checking to see. I thought I purchased more, well, I guess not, but that was just to fulfill the requirement to get this invoice in order for me to submit it to Fashion Go as a fulfillment for my invoice. And make sure that when you're ordering from any of these wholesale places, that you have them put your business name on it, because there was a time when I did some research and I ordered and they put my name on it, not the business name, and Fashion Go did not accept it. So make sure that you get them to put your business name on the invoice. Make sure that it has a detailed descriptions of the items that you've purchased. Make sure that it has the price and the total price. Just make sure everything is in order before you submit it to Fashion Go, because they will reject it, and then you'll have money lost, and then you'll have a setback in getting your business going. So if you're interested in using this particular wholesaler to help you fulfill your requirement for Fashion Go, then I am going to list it below in the description for you, like I said. And when the next one come, which I just ordered yesterday, then I will also do an unboxing for that. That's a little bit more detail. It's all clothing, and I spent about $150 to get that done, which I don't think is bad. So I'm waiting for it to come in from LA, and then I'll do an unboxing and show you, and then maybe that's another vendor you could use. Okay, I have quite a list of vendors, but I think they're all underneath the Fashion Go umbrella. So when I try signing up for it, they're all asking for my business information and for my reseller's license, which I've already given them, but it's taken a while for them to respond. So far done 4 of them over the past week, and I'm still waiting for a response from them. So I went ahead and I ordered from another vendor, which was, oh, and another thing with some of the vendors that I signed up with, yes, I was accepted to one, but they required that there was a minimum order of $100 from one particular vendor. So it was kind of iffy. So I said, let me leave that alone and just go with what I know. So I ordered from this particular wholesaler, and when it comes, I will do an unboxing for you and show you what I got, how much I purchased, and I will also share that with you. So if you're looking to start your business, you know, selling clothes, then this would be the way to go. Okay, so that's it for this video. That's it for this video. I thank you for watching my video. I hope it's been helpful. You know, I try my best to help as much as I can. I do appreciate you watching the video. Please subscribe to the channel. Make sure you like this video, and leave a comment if you wish, but please be sure to subscribe. And I thank you for watching as always, and until next time, take care of yourselves and your family. Okay, bye bye.